Retaliate, responding to actions in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a word that often pops up in conversations about conflicts and disputes: retaliate. Understanding this term is key to mastering nuanced English, especially when discussing actions and reactions. Stay tuned to learn all about it, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to use retaliate like a pro. Retaliation refers to the act of returning a military attack, counterattacking. However, it also has a broader meaning: to take revenge or respond to a wrong by inflicting a wrong in return. This could be in the context of a conversation, a competition, or any scenario where there is a back and forth dynamic. The word carries a sense of reaction, typically to something negative or harmful. When we use retaliate in a sentence, it's important to show that the action is a response to something. For example, after the opposing team scored a goal, our team retaliated with 2 more goals. He felt insulted by the criticism and retaliated with sharp remarks. In both sentences, retaliate indicates a reaction to an initial action or event. If you want to vary your language, there are several synonyms you can use instead of retaliate. Some include revenge, avenge, reciprocate, hit back, get back at. Each of these carries a slightly different connotation, but they all circle back to the concept of responding to an action. It's crucial to note that retaliate often has a negative connotation. It suggests an eye for an eye approach, which can be seen as petty or vengeful. On the other hand, it can also be perceived as standing up for oneself. The context in which you use it will determine how it's received. Let's break down how to use retaliate in different tenses. Present simple: he retaliates when provoked. Past simple: she retaliated immediately. Future simple: they will retaliate if necessary. Present continuous: he is retaliating by ignoring her calls. Understanding these variations will help you articulate your thoughts in different situations. There you have it, a thorough look at the word retaliate and its uses in the English language. Remember, while it's a powerful verb that conveys a strong response, using it wisely and in the right context is key. We hope you found this explainer helpful and that you'll feel confident using retaliate in your conversations and writing. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.